Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel here, and as can you see here we got all the available icons in our top bar. And if you want just to add or to remove or just to change the positions of these icons, you should click here, for example, to the plus icon, and just this icons, they are visible, and this is the hide icons here. As can you see, just to add some icons to our top bar, you should just hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down section. By the same way, we can add here, for example, the secure folder section icon, and then just click here to done, and you'll see here the changes that we just successfully add here to more icons to our top bar. And just to remove the some icons from here, by the same way you can click here on the plus icon or just here on the three dots and to edit buttons. And by the same way we can just remove, for example, the quick share icon, hold for one and drag it here to this up section. By the same way we can also remove the smart view, then just click here to OK, and you will see the changes here. And if you want just to change the position of the icons, you should hold for a while the icon and drag it here by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. And thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.